Hello, I'm Dr. Panamá, plastic surgeon, and here we are with our patient from today, Travis. How you feel?
Feel good, a little bit nervous, but it's been a long time coming and I'm ready. So.
Ready to do it. Where do you come from?
I live in Seattle, Washington,
Ah,
in the United States.
A little cold right now.
A little cold, a little rainy. Yeah.
Hello to Washington. So we're going to perform hair restoration surgery with the AVUE technique just to improve all the front. Okay, this will be just local anesthesia. We are planning to have 3,000 follicles in about 6 to 8 hours. So stay tuned so you can know the whole story. And if this is your problem, please visit our website or our social media. We just finished the hair restoration surgery. You saw this is a procedure under local anesthesia. Just the time, we don't have hurry to finish. We just want to do it well since the beginning. So we just need to wait time so we can notice the growth of this hair. If this is your case, contact us through our social media or our website. This is Dr. Panamá for Panamá Plastic Surgery, changing lives.